Hey everybody, Carter from Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota and AutoramaAuto.com. Today I have a 2000 Chevrolet Camaro SS. That's right, that's the Super Sport. Only 30,000 actual miles. Has brand new tires on it. Has the factory chrome alloys on it. It is the champagne color with the graphite interior. It's almost black, it's almost gray. You see that? You got the 6-speed manual transmission in there. A lot of people can't steal your car. Steering wheel controls, leather seats. Again, 30,000 actual miles. Monsoon audio. The car is completely mechanically stock. Carfax does say it has a branded title, but no reports of any accidents. Oh, it sounds beautiful. Love that 350. Seated Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, or AutoramaAuto.com. And remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.